Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rana. Recently, Circuit Digest conducted a contest which is Smart Home Wearable Design Contest with the collaboration of Digikey. So thank you Digikey for providing ESP32-S3 box. With the help of this, I complete my weather station project.
In India Electronic Project Contest, we have created a low-cost IoT-based smart weather station that continuously monitor real-time weather parameter direct from the farmer field. So for making this weather station project, we need to require ESP32-S3 box, rain bucket sensor, BME 680 environmental sensor, MT3608 boost converter, wind speed sensor, wind direction sensor, ESP32 module, and 0 PCB. These all are main components. This is the wiring connection of our weather station project. In wiring connection, BME 680 SCL wire is connected to GPIO 22 on ESP32, SDA wire is connected to GPIO 21, wind speed signal wire is connected to GPIO 27, and wind direction signal wire is connected to GPIO 34. So for gravity bucket sensor, TX wire is connected to GPIO 16 and RX wire is connected to GPIO 17. Here I have boosted 3.3 voltage to 5 volt to give the ESP. And for battery charging, I use 4056 charging module. Now time to demonstrate the hardware. Turn on the power. It will connect automatically to Wi-Fi, and this weather station is installed in our agriculture field. To view the data from home, we will power on the ESP32-S3 box. It will connect Wi-Fi automatically. After connecting the Wi-Fi, it shows all data from the server. The screen will update automatically as the device receives data from the server. Right now you can see temperature, humidity, wind speed, pressure, wind direction, rain, gas and altitude. After the device fetch data from the server, you can see changes in all parameters except the rain parameter. To test the rainfall sensor by pouring water from the water bottle. In S3 box display, you can see temperature is 29.9, humidity is 34, pressure is 986 HPA and wind speed is 2200 meter per second. Wind direction is 118 SE, altitude is 232 meter and gas resistance is 36.5 kilo ohm. I fill the rain sensor bucket with water bottle. It took some time because it will first send the data to the server. After that, the S3 box will read data from the server. You can see rainfall data in screen, 8.1 mm. It shows total rainfall. Now you can see rainfall value is 14 mm, wind direction is 117 SE, gas is 70 ppm and altitude is 232 meter. In first slide you can see temperature is 30.5 degrees Celsius, humidity is 33.8, pressure is 986 HPA and wind speed is 2544 meter per second. How our weather station is working. In picture you can see our weather station will capture all data and send it to the ThingSpeak. In ThingSpeak you can view the data in allotted field according to the sensor. As I told earlier, the weather station will be installed in our agriculture field and the S3 box will install at our home. so that the farmer can see data without going to the field.